guys, and today we're gonna be working on the tail once again. And so I'm gonna be redoing the front lip again because today's Christmas. So yesterday, whenever this is posted, so yesterday at work when I was on my lunch and I was entering our parking lot, I didn't know how close I was to the curb. So the bumper, just this portion. The bumper came off, and then this whole entire section got dragged down. So it was from here, and it went under the bumper, including that side. And then it cracked. Where did it crack? It cracked this portion. Wait here. It cracked this portion of the lip. So, and then probably that section too. Oh yeah, I did. So I'm gonna be fixing that. It should be easy fix. It's not too big of a damage. So. And then I'm gonna be taking the splitter off because it's technically not necessary for me now. Other than that, I might be repainting this part, like the trim to silver, back to silver, so it could give more of an emphasis in the front. And then probably this portion as well. And no, that's pretty much it. I might go lower in the rear because I want the rear to tuck up just a little bit more. So my friend Kenny is gonna be bringing his portable torch, so that the heat should be enough to loosen up the dirt or the collars that are seized in order for me to lower it just a little bit, probably like between 2 to 4 centimeters at most. So I'm trying to check which side. They're about even. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on it, but first I just need to take it out. Alright, so I just took off the front lip off the bumper, and the damage is actually pretty bad. It's like right there. Wait, focus. Come on, focus. Okay, so this is how bad the damage was, and it should be very fixable. So as long as I just remove this portion, it should be fine. And then I'm just gonna have to reconnect everything. Use a heat gun to melt the plastic into place a little bit, and add some adhesive and sealant over it, and it should be set. Alright, so I got started on sanding this portion of the lip, where I'm gonna be completely sanding the whole entire thing in order to have the fresh paint to be layering itself pretty decently. But so far, the crack right here is very noticeable. Hopefully the JB weld or the sealant can cover this up. And I have to do something at the bottom portion where it's like completely like sliced open. Looks as if there's like, I had these 2 holes I drilled in for the splitter. So I'm gonna see if I could seal it with the zip tie at most, and then completely seal it at the end right here. So just a little update on the front lip crack. So I decided to use a sheet metal and then 2 giant screws to hold it in place while I sand everything completely down. And then let's see if I can reposition this crack in order for it to sit flush against the other side. If not, I could put JB weld against it and then layer it on top. So that's the best I can do so far, since this lip isn't really much of a fiberglass. It's more of like the poly. I forgot what the material is called, but it's black. I mean, not black, plastic. So, but this should be dry. No. I don't know what else. I don't know that part's. Yeah, this thing is really fucked up. It's okay. I'm gonna check if it's dry. If you press your finger against this section, it should be dry. Okay, I can give it like a little bit, 5 more minutes, and then I'll put everything back together. So, pray that my kit will end well. I'm just so fucking tired. So that comes to the end of this video. So we're just mainly working on the front lip. Got the front end done of the paint for the grill. I moved the license plate to the front because it looks, in my opinion, it looks better when it's all aligned correctly in the middle. I decided not to lower the rear yet until I get like new tires on, especially the front. So I'm gonna try to get the fronts on first to check on the ride height and everything like that. So I'm gonna keep the propane here with me. Thanks Kenny for letting me borrow that. Shout out to him. And then I'm gonna be picking up paint tomorrow just to get this front end done. Yeah, so it's, the car is coming a long way. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Another update on the channel itself. The car, let's see. The last thing I need to do is just like maintenance work, mainly replacing some old parts with a better or new parts such as like an engine mount, and then I should be putting money aside for the tranny as well. Other than that, the next mod for the car is probably gonna be the wrap, or more so the coilover. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. Right now, my main focus is on focusing on the maintenance and just paying the car off soon. Like I have a couple hundreds left now. I should be done with the car. So that's it for today's video, and peace out.